Hello students, in the lesson Geometrical Construction, today we have studied about the interesting contents like congruence of segment, congruence of angles and congruence of circle. Let us discuss them shortly. In congruence of segment, we have seen that when two segments are of equal measures, then they are called as congruent to each other. For example, segment AB and segment CD. You can see that both the segments are of equal measures 5 cm each. Therefore, they are called as congruent to each other. If given line segments are equal in length, they are congruent. Let us see what happens in different figures. Here you can see that segment PQ and segment YZ are different than each other. One segment is of 8 cm and another segment is of 5 cm. Don't you feel they are different to each other? In this situation, we say that the segments are not congruent to each other because their lengths are not equal. Let's turn to next content. Congruence of angles. Angle LMN and angle XYZ are both of angle 45 degrees. Therefore, when both the angles are equal, that is, when both the angles are of 45 degrees, they are said as congruent to each other. We have just considered this as 45 degrees. You can consider for any other angle also. Two angles with equal measure are congruent to each other. In this situation, you can see there are two different angles with different measures. One angle, angle MNO, is of 50 degrees, whereas angle DEF is of 90 degrees. That is, both are unequal to each other. Their measures are different than each other. In this situation, we say that the angles are not congruent to each other. Our next point is congruence of circle. You can see the two circles. Both the circles are of equal radii. The first circle with radius PQ is of 3 cm radius and the second circle with radius XY is also of 3 cm radius. When the two circles are of equal radii, they are said to be congruent to each other. Circles of equal radii are congruent circles. In this case, you can see that there is one bigger circle and one smaller circle. One circle has a radius of 4 cm, whereas other circle has a radius of 2 cm. Here we say that the two circles are not congruent to each other since both the radii given in the two figures are not same to each other. Thank you.